What separates the top 1% from everyone else? It's not luck, it's their daily habits. Your current wealth is simply the result of your past micro-decisions. If you possess even one of these 7 toxic habits, escaping the financial matrix is mathematically impossible. Let's break down how to rewire your psychology today. Habit number 1 is lifestyle creep. The moment the average person gets a raise or an influx of cash, their immediate psychological response is to upgrade their lifestyle. They buy a newer car, subscribe to more services, and finance luxuries they don't actually own. When your income increases, the excess capital shouldn't go toward looking rich. It should be directly deployed into your investment accounts to build actual wealth. Habit number 2 is tolerating an impoverished network. If you surround yourself with people who constantly complain about the economy, lack ambition, and never discuss ideas or capital allocation, their mindset will inevitably become your baseline. The wealthy meticulously curate their inner circle. Habit number 3 is expecting a financial miracle. The broke mindset loves the lottery and gambling, hoping to get rich by tomorrow. True wealth builders do not rely on luck. Instead of gambling, they approach the markets with precision. A disciplined trader doesn't guess. They read structural divergence, take calculated multi-day swing positions, and strictly allocate only 1% risk per trade to flawlessly protect their capital. Wealth is built on mathematical probability, not miracles. Habit number 4 is externalizing failure. Poor individuals have an endless list of excuses. The government, the system, the economy. Until you take 100% brutal accountability for your financial position, you strip yourself of the power to change it. Habit number 5 is a fundamental disrespect for time. The masses will spend hours a day mindlessly scrolling through social media, yet claim they don't have time to build a business. Successful individuals view time as their most critical asset. Instead of consuming content, they spend their evenings learning high-leverage skills, like mastering advanced Excel, Power Query, and data automation to exponentially increase their value and efficiency in the marketplace. Habit number 6 is perpetual procrastination. Waiting for the perfect moment or enough capital is a defense mechanism. The 1% start with what they have right where they are. Finally, habit number 7 is failing to monetize existing potential. Many people possess skills but lack the vision to package them. They don't realize they could be taking their video editing capabilities and selling explainer videos to global clients on platforms like Fiverr. Money isn't scarce in the modern digital economy. Execution is. Analyze which of these 7 habits are currently operating in your life. If you're ready to break the cycle, master your psychology, and engineer real wealth, subscribe to Upstream HQ. Defy the current.